Hey fANNE-atics, it's Sasha and welcome back to my channel. For today, I'm going to be doing a dramatic eye-opening tutorial. Basically a graphic liner mastery look. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Very simple, but you have to have a very steady hand. So let's get started. So usually I would start off with my eyes for this because it requires shadow and I don't know if there's going to be any fallout, but this eye look, there's literally no shadow. I'm just going to be using black eyeshadow for the wings, and it's going to be a double wing, which is simple, but it does require you to have a steady hand. But I am going to go in with my face first. So I'm going to prime my face and then do my foundation. So I'm starting off with my lotion by Cetaphil. So even though this liner eye look is very simple yet dramatic, you still want to have a flawless skin finish. Now I'm going in with my Hydro Boost Serum by Neutrogena. Is some liner on my lips and my Armani Maestro lipstick. Is some liner on my lips and my Armani Maestro lipstick. Pants. I'm going in with my Kogan Dough Foundation. Now I'm going in with my Dior concealer, and I'm also going to put this on my eyes. And I am now going to set all of that with my Prada translucent powder, and there's a hummingbird again. Oh my god, what is... And now for the eyeliner. So for this, it requires a steady hand and a lot of practice. So I'm going in with my Nude by the Balm palette. I'm taking the shade Serious, which is the matte black. And I'm first going to start on my lower lash line and just make the same wing that I would do on my upper lash. Starting near my eye. Making a quick wing like that, just as if you do like your water liner, but I'm just putting it more on the lash line, and I'm making it go into the corner and just lining it. So it's as if you're just doing eyeliner but on your waterline, but then you're just making it like an inch lower, so it's on your lash line instead, and it is a little bit more dramatic. And now I'm going back to the top and making a straight line, connecting it to my lash line. I am going to clean that up though. I do have to clean that up. Great. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. Now I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I like how this turned out. The hardest part is matching it though. I have to fix that up again. And now the eyeliner is complete. And I'm gonna go onto my lashes now and then go onto my lips. Actually, no, I lied. I'm going to do my bronzer first. I do want this to be like a bronzed up, glowy face. And now that I know not to put powder in those areas, it's so much easier for me to blend. So I just applied my Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Cheek Tint, and I'm going to set that with my powder. And I think now, before I go in with the highlighter, I'm going to do my mascara. I'm not going to do any false lashes, just a lot of mascara for this. And second to last is highlighter. So I'm using the same highlighter I always use by Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Hollywood Flawless Filter. I'm going to blend that in. And since I do already kind of have something in my inner corner, I'm going to just put highlighter on my brow bone, because I don't really want to mess up that liner. And last is some liner on my lips and my Armani Maestro lipstick. I only kind of lined my, like the outer part of my mouth, like not really, I did blend it a little bit, but I didn't like apply it as lipstick. But now I'm going to set everything with my Morphe setting spray. Oh my god, it smells like coconut. And that is it for this artsy eyeliner.